Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day today, and welcome back to my another video. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer WhatsApp chat from iPhone to Android directly. Transferring WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android is a straightforward process that shouldn't take more than a few minutes. The method is very easy. Please connect your two smartphones, Android and iPhone, to the computer. Then download iTransfer for WhatsApp. This is best WhatsApp than WhatsApp Business Transfer tools. With this tool you can transfer WhatsApp between Android to iPhone. Backup WhatsApp on Android and iPhone to computer easily. Restore WhatsApp backup to Android and iPhone. And with 100% success rate transfer. Don't worry losing your data. And easy to use. Available for Windows and Mac. Then download iTransfer for WhatsApp. Okay, install iTransfer for WhatsApp on your computer. Launch that apps. And make sure connect your device to computer. Please put your Android USB Debugging. You can follow how to enable USB Debugging on this instruction. After your Android has been in USB Debugging, please specify the source and destination transfer. Click Transfer and please wait. Click Allow WhatsApp Messenger to access device storage and click Done. And please wait. WhatsApp Messenger transfer successful. Click Done and go back to Android. Open the WhatsApp. Then log into your account. Please wait for code verification. And yeah, WhatsApp chat has been successfully transferred to Android from iPhone. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more update, and see you on the next tutorial. Thank you.